Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 25, adding a YouTube link. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. We also need to have access to a YouTube channel. As you all know, the YouTube channel is Computer Science Videos. We will be taking the link and adding that to the Yammer profile. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on Applications. Go to All Apps. Scroll to the bottom. Explore all your applications. Now go to Yammer. Let's just wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, what we can do is go to My Communities, go within Computer Science Videos, and we will be adding the link to the pinned section. So before we do anything, let's now open up a new web browser using a new incognito window. Let's go to my YouTube channel. And there we go, that's the YouTube channel. Now let's take the link, highlight, Command C to copy, minimize the incognito window for the moment. Now let's go back to Yammer where we have pinned, click on the plus sign, paste the link in the address section. Let's remove the duplicates. Change the title to Computer Science Videos YouTube channel. Now click on OK. And this link is readily available for everybody within the organization to click on as part of a shortcut to get to the YouTube channel if they ever needed to. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.